Did you know that Spain and Portugal are two of the most promising markets for solar energy and storage in Europe? With exceptional solar resources and a favorable regulatory environment, the Iberian market is attracting investors from around the world. In this video, we will explore investment opportunities in these regions, highlighting key segments, profitability drivers, and future prospects. Stay to find out why now is the best time to invest. The key factors driving the opportunities are as follows. Exceptional solar resources. With high solar irradiance in regions such as Andalusia, Extremadura, Castilla-La Mancha, and southern Portugal, PV projects are highly competitive in terms of levelized cost of energy, LCOE. Access to European funds. Programs such as Next Generation EU have significantly reduced capital costs, accelerating the implementation of PV plus BESS projects. The development of interconnection infrastructure. Improvements in electricity connections with France and other European markets allow exporting renewable energy, creating new sources of revenue. The market segments with the greatest growth potential are the following: industrial and commercial self-consumption. The integration of PV plus BESS systems allows companies to store surplus energy for nighttime use, reducing dependence on the grid and optimizing costs. Large-scale hybrid projects. In areas with high grid saturation, BESSes allow solar energy to be stored for sale during peak demand and higher prices. Ancillary services markets. BESSes can participate in frequency regulation and capacity reservation, generating additional revenues and stabilizing the grid. The prospects for profitability and return on investment may be competitive solar energy prices. With one of the lowest LCOE in Europe, projects in the Iberian Peninsula are highly economically viable. Reduced battery costs. Battery prices have fallen 80% in the last decade and are expected to fall further with the adoption of technologies such as solid-state batteries. Subsidies and tax incentives. Mitico programs in Spain and tax benefits in Portugal have improved profitability, with more than 30% of new developments including storage. My recommendations for investors are: take advantage of European funds and tax incentives to reduce upfront costs. Explore hybrid projects that combine storage and renewable generation to maximize revenues. Consider participating in ancillary markets to diversify revenue streams. If you are interested in exploring solar and storage investment opportunities in Spain and Portugal, contact me on LinkedIn. Let's make your project a sustainable success. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content and to keep learning about BESS systems.